This is the beer catcher unboxing. Included in the package is a travel bag, the beer catcher, and 2 suction cups. How to use. So you just Velcro around your neck. You add one of the suction cups and stick it to the mirror. Make sure it's locked. And then place a second suction cup to the mirror, as so. Here I'm going to be trimming. I'm just using a small pair of scissors. Try and get some of the hair off around my mouth, my chin. I hope this video helps you in your buying decision process. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.